Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting video from Cardano News Today. Today in this video, we will be discussing and sharing the most recent updates on Cardano, price updates, and the reason Cardano will go 60 times. So, make sure to stay with us until the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. With prices up more than 1,000% to $2.10 year-to-date, Cardano, crypto ADA, has had a tremendous run this year. While the cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile and hard to predict, the high-flying blockchain may have more space to develop further economic moats. How about we investigate the reasons for Cardano's edge and why it'll soar more soon? Launched in 2017, Cardano is a public blockchain designed to work with peer-to-peer transactions through its internal cryptocurrency ADA. Investors purchase ADA tokens to wager on Cardano's development and adoption. Unlike Bitcoin, which isn't programmable, Cardano allows private developers to make sophisticated smart contracts on its blockchain. Bitcoin's smart contracts are less complex. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts, which empower developers to make complex decentralized applications. These peer-to-peer programs permit anyone to interact on the network. Cardano hosts several promising decentralized applications under development, including Meld, a decentralized finance platform aiming to permit users to lend out their cryptocurrency or use it as collateral for cash loans. Meld is funded through a unique system called an Initial Stake Pool Offering or ISPO, which involves ADA holders staking their tokens. Proceeds go to Meld in return for the new platform's native tokens, which will be distributed to the participants' wallets at launch in December. Because investors need to take ADA tokens to participate in ISPOs like Meld, these projects could assist with powering long-term demand for the token. Cardano isn't the only well-known blockchain that allows users to program and fund decentralized applications on its blockchain. Ethereum, which launched in 2015, offers similar functionality. In any case, Cardano's upper hand comes from its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Ethereum also plans to execute proof-of-stake, yet Cardano has the first-mover advantage. Consensus is a key component of blockchain platforms that ensures the network is synchronized and transactions are real, removing the requirement for mediators like traditional financial services. Proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum accomplish consensus through mining, which involves solving complex computational puzzles to confirm transactions in return for recently minted coins. The process is energy-intensive, with Bitcoin mining alone consuming 91 terawatt-hours of electricity yearly, which is almost 0.5% of worldwide consumption, according to Business Insider. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake system called Ouroboros. Instead of solving puzzles, miners validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold in return for new coins. This process is called staking, and it's regularly done on cryptocurrency exchanges like secretly held Binance or Kraken. Proof-of-stake is undeniably less energy-consuming than proof-of-work, giving it an edge on this environmentally conscious political climate. The cryptocurrency market is uncertain and prone to wild speculation. However, fundamental-focused investors can moderate the uncertainty by betting on assets with an economic moat that separates them from rivals. With a total market cap of $69 billion, Cardano isn't modest. In any case, its environmentally friendly proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and programmable blockchain could assist it with outperforming over the long term. Overall, how about we continue on to significant updates that are pushing Cardano and making its ecosystem more stable? Major updates. The Alonzo hard fork combinator allows developers to develop and deploy dApps on the Cardano blockchain. This has provided a significant boost to Cardano's network as the protocol continues its work in collaboration with developers, helping them deploy their decentralized applications on the network. With the successful deployment of the Alonzo hard fork combinator, developers are preparing to focus on the next phase of Cardano, the Babbage era. Software engineer at Input Output, Kevin Hammond gave a glimpse of what Cardano was really going after next, sharing an update revealing that IOHK was prepared to move towards the Babbage era, the next phase of Cardano. The Babbage era is named after Charles Babbage, a mathematician credited to be the father of the computer. The Babbage era will essentially iron out any issues that might be left after the Alonzo upgrade. Several performance improvements are intended to be carried out on the blockchain during the Babbage era. According to Hammond, these improvements have been in the pipeline for a considerable timeframe, however, have not officially launched. Issues that'll be addressed are improving the syncing speed, along with several performance issues brought into focus by developers and operators since the Alonzo hard fork combinator became operational. The improvements are considered significant as they will ensure that users on the network have a moderately smooth experience while working on Cardano. Plutus, the language used in the Cardano network, is also getting a significant upgrade. The developer reveals plans to work on the language by introducing another version of Plutus on the blockchain. Plutus script-specific aspects of Cardano's network will also be improved, which will permit faster and bigger transaction volumes in each block. The new version will also include several additional features, which Cardano's user base has been demanding for a long while. There are also plans forthcoming to decentralize the Cardano blockchain further. Cardano is looking to give its community more control over what happens on the network and which direction the network takes. It was also revealed at the Cardano Summit 2021 that Straight Brands would partner with IOHK with plans to implant the ADA scan into their production and distribution process. ADA scan provides the ideal solution to forestall the counterfeiting or mislabeling of products thanks to blockchain technology. Moreover, on Thursday, Input Output, IO Global, the official Cardano software developer, announced that it was working with Bondly in creating an official cross-chain bridge that would bring NFTs from Ethereum to Cardano. Bondly is a decentralized e-commerce platform that seeks to develop new technologies to increase the security of NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, it aims at making the utilization of NFTs and cryptocurrencies more decentralized and efficient. According to the announcement, the move, which is their first partnership project, will enable NFT creators to easily transfer their digital art pieces from the energy-intensive and expensive Ethereum network to Cardano, with the first bridge expected to roll out in early 2022. Given that Ethereum and Bitcoin are still using the proof-of-work mechanisms on their networks, NFT creators are often faced with the persistent problem of energy inefficiencies and high transaction costs. Currently, creators shell around $15 in transaction cost on Ethereum compared to Cardano's $0.4. This means that Ethereum is 37.5% more expensive than Cardano. Ethereum and Bitcoin also use a huge amount of energy, as much as Oman and Colombia combined, according to recent data from Digiconomist, which poses a serious challenge to the NFT ecosystem. Cardano, which uses a more eco-friendly proof-of-stake mechanism to run its network operations, seeks to change the status by offering efficient price predictability and stability for transaction costs, eliminating the risk of loss and significant expenses associated with using Ethereum to mint and transfer NFTs. In confirming the partnership, Cardano's co-founder Charles Hoskinson said, "We built Cardano in light of energy efficiency, which is the reason this partnership with Bondly is so crucial, as it'll allow NFT creators access to a leading solution for token creation which doesn't compromise on environmental credentials." Harry Liu, CEO of Bondly, also lauded the union, noting that the creation of a cross-chain NFT bridge between Ethereum and Cardano would be a great milestone in transitioning from legacy blockchain projects to one of the most hotly anticipated third-generation networks. Bondly also announced that it would be minting a special collection of eco-friendly NFTs in honor of Cardano's smart contracts launch, which enables developers to assemble applications that'll utilize the capabilities of the world's most advanced green blockchain, as well as NFTs marking the launch of the cross-chain bridge. With all that said, let's get to price updates on Cardano. Price update. Cardano price continues to confuse forecasts. ADA teeters between two clearly defined technical levels. Until the Ethereum killer can overcome the two key areas of resistance, the token can expect a 23% climb toward $2.73. Cardano price presents a lack of clear directional bias as it continues to be sealed within a symmetrical triangle pattern on the 12-hour chart. Despite the recent uptick seen in the cryptocurrency market, witnessing Bitcoin and Ether reach new unequaled highs, ADA lagged behind. Apparently, Cardano price is gearing up to tackle obstacles, despite the overwhelming strength of the resistances that are currently intimidating the bulls. The first hurdle for ADA is at the 21 12-hour Simple Moving Average or SMA at $2.16. In the event that the Ethereum killer manages to slice above this level, the next headwind will emerge at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, coinciding with the 50 12-hour SMA at $2.19. According to the Into the Blocks In-Out of Money Around Price or IO map, the aforementioned level of resistance would be a challenging level to crack for the bulls, given that it's the largest cluster recorded by the technical metric, as 226,650 addresses purchased 7.82 billion ADA at an average price of $2.19. The The bull's journey towards the optimistic target would still be tricky, as a resistance level given by the Momentum Reversal Indicator, or MRI, has appeared at $2.30, which sits near the 112-hour SMA, acting as a heavy headwind for Cardano price. ADA would also need to clear the $2.36, $2.50, and $2.64, corresponding to the 38.2%, half, and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement levels, respectively. So that brings an end to today's video. Do like this video. Also subscribe and share to our channel, Cardano News Today. Let us know your thoughts on Cardano in the comment section.